I got an OP scooter. And it's mad gear. And it's a stunt scooter. And it's so cool. Like, it's the best scooter ever. Oh my god. Next present. So the next present is a remote control car. And it blows up. And let me just turn it on. Sorry. That's not on yet. I'll just turn it on. So at the back, it actually goes. Oh my god, that looks so weird. And it works. It's got batteries and everything. So that's cool. I'll just set the camera down so you can have a good look. Sorry, let's start. It's really cool. I'm coming back. Oh, what's some grass? It's back. It fell over. This is actually what it does when it falls. That's so creepy. So, yeah. Let me just get some lighting.